guys, welcome back to another exciting fun-filled video. I'm going to use my Cosori Air Fryer to make fish fillets and homemade potato wedges. This thing is awesome. I use it once, sometimes twice a day. I don't heat up the kitchen, and it cooks way faster than your ordinary oven does. Big square basket, you can fit a lot in there. This thing is super awesome. I'm going to put the link in the description where you can buy this thing. It is totally amazing. I love it. So we have a freshly washed, you want to use russet potatoes. They work best for this recipe. You're going to cut the potato in half. Then each half you're going to cut into little strips like this. Then you will put them in a bowl. Then what you're going to do is add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a half teaspoon onion powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. And olive oil is 1.5 tablespoons. Then you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Now we are preheating the air fryer to 380. It'll take about 5 minutes. Potatoes are already mixed up with the olive oil, salt, pepper, onion powder. We're good to go. While the air fryer is preheating, I'm going to microwave bird's eye super sweet corn. I'm just going to do it in the bag so I don't lose all the nutrients by boiling it in water. Okay, air fryer is preheated. We're going to go ahead and add the potatoes. Potatoes are added, so we're going to go 380 degrees for 20 minutes, and we're going to shake halfway through. Okay, so the potato wedges are cooking. I'm going to go ahead and add the fish fillets. Okay, yeah, so I figured if I'm already doing the wedges, I might as well just do the fish fillets at the same time. Save a little bit of time, why not? I had plenty of room in the basket. Okay, you guys, the corn is done. I'm still waiting on the wedges and fish. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little of Parmesan cheese on the corn. Okay, you guys, the wedges and fish fillets are totally done. I added some Reaper sauce to the ranch dressing to dip the potatoes in. It's this one right here. I like a little zing with my meal. There we go. Check that out. That is awesome anytime. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you next time. Bye.